In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert page number, image or text in the footer of your page. So let's start. Here you can see some data. To go to the page layout view, you just need to go to your view tab. Then you can see an option which is page layout. Click there. And now you can see our header and footer is arrived. You can see that this is our footer, and we are going to first insert the page number in the footer page. So let's start. We are selecting this section to insert page number. So we are selecting this, and you can see a tab which is header and footer. Click there, and there is an option which is page number. Click there. There is a code will be arrived. This is our page number code, and if you enter any of this cell, you can see that footer will arrive. Now you can see this is our first footer page and one is arrived here. And now let's try with text. If you want to insert some text here, you can do it. We are selecting this section and write, suppose we are writing our channel name, Tutorial River. And if you want to customize this text, you can do it. Just select this text and go to Home tab. You can see there is an option. You can do it, bold it, or if you want to resize it, you can also do it. This is how you can insert text in the footer. Now if you want to insert image in the footer, you can also do it. Just selecting this section and go to header and footer again. There is an option which is picture. Click there, and we are selecting the image from our desktop or laptop, so selecting from a file. Then you can see that download option, and here this is our image, or you can call it logo. Then inserting it, and if you click outside of this box, then you can see there's a huge image, but don't worry, we will resize it. Go there and go to again header and footer. You can see an option format picture. Click there, and we are going to select the scale to 5% or 10% or 30%. Suppose we are going to select it to 10%. Now you can see that there is an image, but this is not resized well. Now let's do again it. Go to pictures and do it to 5%. Now you can see an image or logo is arrived in the footer. This is how you can easily insert page number, text or image in the footer of your Microsoft Excel file. And if you want to go to the main view, you can also do it. Just go to view option and then select normal. You can see that our page layout is in the normal form. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.